What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, bringing you guys back with another episode, guys, on the bucket build. As you guys saw from last episode, we got a new set of wheels for the bucket. The rims, look great on the car. As you guys saw from last episode, if you guys haven't seen that, make sure you guys hit this right here. It'll be linked to the last episode and you guys will be able to see what's been going on with the bucket. And yeah, but today we're bringing you guys back with another episode and a little update of where we're at with the bucket and how's it going, We got another 335 over here. If you guys familiar, whose car is this? Whose car is this?
Oh, you're recording me. I thought you were talking to the camera.
Of course I'm talking to the camera. I'm talking to you too, man.
It's my car.
Yes, sir. As you guys see, it's not green no more from the pictures you guys have seen. And your lights are on. Are your lights supposed to be on?
No, my ACC is on.
Oh, okay. But yeah, the car's back to its original color of when it was before. He's actually getting it rewrapped in this beautiful cream sand color, as you guys see. Car's gonna look super sick. Getting it ready for an event we're actually going up to in Orlando, which you guys gotta definitely stick tuned to that vlog. That's gonna be coming up soon. And yeah, so on to the bucket. And what's going on? On today's episode, we're getting it wrapped. What color is this, bro?
Satin pearl white.
Yes, sir. This is gonna be the final color of the bucket. So it looks sick with these new wheels. So it looks super nice. Damn, this color is super, with all the details and everything, because all the details are going the same color as the calipers, which is the candy red. So that pearl white with the candy red is gonna look super nice, super sick. As you guys see, we're doing the whole quarter panel. Oops. Go over here on this side. GoPro is filming. We got that now. Working on the headlights as well. We're getting these puppies ready to put in the new plastic that goes over them. Engine is still out. Looking all pretty and everything. Not really. Yeah. Let's see how, today we're planning to do what? We're gonna do the quarter panels, doors, trunk.
Yep.
And yeah, we're gonna see, we're gonna get that done. We're probably gonna, yeah, because we still have to wait. We can't do anything, up here since we haven't put the engine in. But besides that, what's that? Yeah, as you guys saw from last episode, we were waiting for seals, and unfortunately, due to all the events that are occurring right now, a lot of parts are actually missing. Not missing, but everything is delayed. Companies are not, getting them shipped out. Either if it's because it's weather problem, or either it's because they're just having manufacturing problems. Let us know down in the comments if you guys have tried ordering something and it's been taking forever too, which I'm pretty sure it's unless it's Amazon. But even Amazon, can have its delays. But yeah, guys, let's see how it comes out. We're gonna shoot a little time lapse of how how the car is actually gonna be putting on with the wrap. And yeah, let's see how it comes out once we do the quarter panels, the trunk, and the doors and whatnot. And yeah, let's get to it. Woo! Whoa! Woo! As you guys see, quarter panel is on. Can't even tell too much, guys, but once we take this puppy out in the daytime, you'll be able to see how nice this color is. But yeah, tell me down below, guys, in the comments, these rims don't look crazy good with this wrap. It looks fire, dude. It looks sick. And that's not even at the whole, you know, bumper, and not even, you know, the bumper, side skirts. Whew. Yeah, because we're planning to drop it just an inch more, just so I can give it a nice tucked look. Since we do have coilovers on here. What coilovers are on here? BC coilovers? Yeah, big old emptiness right now. You good, my friend?
Mike Wazowski almost found.
Mike Wazowski.
The hell you guys thought I was?
But yeah, guys, let's go. We're gonna go ahead and go onto the door, and then yeah, from the door we're gonna go on to the other side. Are we gonna be doing the other side today?
Yeah.
Yeah. He's currently gonna take this little piece out so we can be able to get it.
Alright guys, side is done. We're gonna wrap the trunk for today. It's 10 at night, we're tired, but I'm gonna try to get this done and then keep on going. Probably not this week, but next week I'll keep doing the wrap. Hopefully this week the engine is in. I'm gonna have one of my boys come in and help out just to get the engine in. I'm really busy. I'm trying to go to the Orlando meet. So
alrighty, guys, thank you so much for sticking to this episode 6, episode 5. I don't even know anymore. Well, to this episode, guys, a little short update on how we are with the bucket. If you guys did stay to the end, make sure you guys definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you guys like the video, and leave us comments down below, and make sure to turn on those bell notifications, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned.